Hello everybody. We're going to be doing an unboxing again today. Cottie's here. Surprised she's not on the box. She knows I got cookies in my hand, so we're going to give her cookies. So I've been looking for one of these for a while. Every time they pop up on eBay, they disappear real quick. So it was like early in the morning, and I got a little ding on my phone, and it was a new open box, but I don't know, it looks like a Nike box. So I'm gonna open this up, see what I got. It's always an adventure when you're buying on eBay. Let's see what I get. Oh, yeah. Thank you for shopping with us. Who is us? Don't know. What's this bag? Oh, these are always fun to do. I'll post the eBay link. Reuse. Revolution. Encore. I have no clue. Yes, I'm going through bags. Any receipts? No, just bags. But this is not adequate packaging. So, 7-Eleven. Alright, that looks like the box we're supposed to be getting. Yeah. Shopping bags are not a substitute for bubble wrap. Especially with test equipment. But as long as it makes it here alive. So, this is a Dataman 48PRO2. This programmer is made by Elnec. Dataman Device Programmer's Quick Start Guide. Let's give her some cookies so she gets out of my way. So this is a Beeprog2 for the US market. They are an ODM Dataman, but it is made by Elnec in Slovakia, I believe. Yeah, 3/1/2019 is the software date. And it has, one of these should be the tester. Yeah, 48-pin dip diagnostics pod. I think I have Gerbers to make one of those. They're not that difficult. And I think this is the ISP. Diagnostics pod for ISP connector 2. So this was supposed to be a new open box. It looks kind of like it's new open box. It's just a cable. I think you guys want to see that. Then it came with the Dataman adapters. Now, a lot of these adapters have a chip on them, so you have to use their adapter. They lock you into them. So I don't think these ones here have a chip. It might be right there. Yeah, that's their chip. That's their little security chip. So you're stuck using their adapters. But I only really want this for one or two devices that other stuff don't use. So. But that's SOIC 16. And another one. Looks like it's similar. It's just a generic I don't think this one don't have a security chip in it, or a pairing chip. So yeah, this for a reason. I will be doing a request with Elnec on this one. See it. Did this have anything about the pairing chip? Because Oregon's not going to allow pairing in their right to repair. So that's paperwork on that one. Nothing about the pairing chip. So. I don't know if I installed the software or not yet on this, but here is the Dataman tube. That's empty. So, oop, she is just knocking things down. Do you want more cookies? Yeah. Do you know Yorsy went bye-bye today? He went up to the kitty heaven. Yep. He went to go chase the mousies in the skies. She didn't know Yorsy. But she smelt Yorsy. Okay. Let's see here. Serial number match the box. 55581. Month 0119. Okay, let's see if I have the software installed. If not, I will come back on another video. And I don't think I do have the software installed on this one. Nope, I don't have it pre-installed. That's bad, YouTuber. Okay, well, this was the Dataman unboxing. I'll plug it in, power it up. See if it powers on. We can do that. We have no power. Uh-oh. It don't power up. There it goes. There we go. That was weird. Better plug it into the USB, make sure it detects. Okay, it detected on the computer. So, I almost had a heart attack there. Whew. My heart can't handle that anymore. We'll give Cotty some cookies because she's sitting here being annoying. Should we give Cotty cookies? Yes, we're gonna give Cotty cookies. We gotta get a picture for the thumbnail. Okay, that should work. Give her cookies. You can't really train kitties, so. But I will definitely hook this up and give her a try. Problem with the Dataman or the Elnec programmers is if you want to use in-circuit programming, you gotta pay. That's not a good thing. So it's like a subscription, you buy credits. But, because I mean, you could sit there and try reading and stuff for multiple times, and it would just run up a whole big bill. I forgot. I haven't really looked at what the credit box is, but I know on the BKprecision version of this, they basically stopped the credit box. So I don't know if they're going to ever do it on this, but we'll figure it out when that time comes. So we'll catch y'all later.